welcome to MadiLicious. I'm Madison Amara, and today I'm going to show you how I make my overnight oats. If you have not heard of overnight oats, they are essentially oats that you soak overnight so that in the morning you can have a delicious oatmeal and eat it cold. It's absolutely easy to make and it's quick to prep. So what you'll need is some oats and some dairy-free milk, or you can use milk with dairy. I just like dairy-free milk. This is some oat milk. Figured it went along with the recipe very well. Also using some cinnamon. My berries of choice are blueberries. You can use raspberries. Those are delicious as well. Some maple syrup and some chia seeds. The chia seeds help to really thicken up the mixture. It's almost like a pudding mixed with an oatmeal. It's really delicious. All right, so into a bowl, oats, oat milk, cinnamon, blueberries, and you can add as many berries as you like. This is just what I'm adding because I love the way it just mashes up in there. You don't need a whole lot. There it goes, the maple syrup and chia seeds. Give this a nice mix, like so. And mash up your berries, whatever berries you're using, just mash them up in there so that they can get evenly distributed throughout. Kind of mash them up. As you can see, I'm mashing them up very well with my spoon here. It smells delicious. It smells like cinnamon. Sometimes I put vanilla extract in it, but if I'm using enough maple syrup and cinnamon, I do not do that. And I don't feel like I need it today, so it's going to be delicious this way. You'll either want to cover this with some foil, or if you have a lid that goes with your bowl, that would be great. Or you can use mason jars. Typically, I either use a mason jar or I use a container like this. I went ahead and made some of this earlier. I pretty much eat this every day, if not at least 6 times a week. But I made some earlier so that you guys don't have to wait the 8 hours. This is what it should look like. It's set in the refrigerator for 8 hours today, and it's just like regular oatmeal. The only thing is that it is cold. Let's taste it. So good. You can taste everything. That texture is perfect. I actually like this a lot better than hot oatmeal. It's delicious. I just got a bite of the blueberry. You can even mix your berries if you'd like, or if you're not a berry person, don't add the berries. Hopefully you guys enjoy this recipe and make it and add it to your recipe rotation. I'm going to go eat most of this and then I'll transfer what I just made into this dish so I can have it tomorrow morning. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!